So in this video, I will be telling you how you can sync your Leetcode submission directly to your GitHub account. So you can see this is a repo named DSA which I was using to sync my Leetcode submission directly to my account. And it's been over an year while I was submitting the questions. So yeah, I'll be telling you how you can also do the same. So for syncing your question, just install this particular extension named LeetSync to your Chrome browser. I will give you the link in the description. Just click on add to Chrome, and yeah, it's been downloading, and yeah, it's been downloaded also. Yeah, so to set this up, just click on the extension section and click on the this LeetSync, and complete, and you want to authenticate the extension with your GitHub account. You might be thinking this might not be the safe, but yeah, I was using this extension for a long time now. I don't think there is a drawback in giving access to your GitHub account. So yeah, just click on complete setup, log in with your GitHub. So yeah, as I was using this extension previously, so it's been already synced with my account. So in your case, it might ask the username and password of your account. Just give it and click on complete setup. Yeah, after completing the setup, now you want to link your repo to your LeetSync web extension. So to do this, make an empty repository in your GitHub account, or if you have any, just link it with your extension. Now you might name it as anything like DSA, Leetcode, and anything like that. Okay. After creating the repo, just click on the repo link and copy the link from the repo. You can see this is open over here also. Just click on the repo link, and it is a swapnil underscore slash DSA. Okay. After copying the link, go to your Leetcode and click on extension. Now you can see the extension over here. Now you have to paste the URL of your repository. Just paste the URL and click link repo. Okay, after you can see the it's been already synced. So if I want to submit the question, just reload the page once because you have just set up it now. So okay, I'll be submitting this question. So you can see I will add my name over here and just click on submit again. Now you can see the question is submitted, and you can see on the extension also its icon will change. Yeah, it's the lit icon, and you can see it's the medium problem, and it's been synced, and one district is also updated. Now if I want to see the question, I will just refresh, and you can see the last commit was 5 minutes ago, and now after the refreshing it will be just now. Updated now, and just click on the commit ID if you want to see the code which you have submitted. You can see the code, the name which I just recently wrote is like that is also been synced over here. You can see, yes, so the code is here, and that's how you can sync your GitHub account, your Leetcode account with your GitHub. And yeah, it will be very helpful if your recruiter come to your GitHub account and see you have also been practicing DSA, and it's already been synced to your GitHub account. So yeah, that's very helpful and leaves a very great impression on your interviewer. And yeah, so that's all for today's video. If you want many such videos, please do consider subscribe to my channel, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Thank you, and I'll be giving the link of the extension in the description. Yeah, so bye.